What's up, guys? This is Josh here today, and we are going to be setting up your AI bot to respond to your customers. Now, the cool part about this bot is it works for any business anywhere in the world, and it can handle text, social media, WhatsApp, and now email also. So super advanced stuff, only available here at Lead Fuel. Now, once you got your account created at Lead Fuel, you're going to go down here to AI agents, and then you're going to go over to Conversation AI. Conversation AI is create and manage multiple agents for your business. So we're going to go over to create bot. All right, so we're going to click create bot here, and then you're going to see guided form. You're going to see prompt based or flow based builder. Okay, this one here is more advanced. Most businesses will not need this. But what I like to do is prompt-based bots. So custom instructions, appointment booking, general QA, or the guided form setup. So this is lead capture forms, appointment booking, general QA. Recommended if you're just starting. So I guess for this instance, we'll go ahead and create this one here. And then we're going to do appointment booking bot. Actually, most of you will benefit from the QA. So this is going to be the customer service bot. Okay, so people calling in, it can also book appointments too. So, but it's going to answer questions: where you're located, what are your hours, where's what service areas, what type of services you offer, that kind of stuff. So we do general QA, and then you click next, continue. So then you add your information here, and I'm just going to do Josh's plumbing service. Okay, once again, this works for any kind of business: barbershop, tire shop, cryo, plumbing, HVAC, pool company, lawn care. Works for anybody. Okay, fill out the rest of the information. Tone, friendly, target audience. This will be plumbing customers or leads. Customer pain points. Client needs a plumber. Okay. Brand promises, brand value. You can go ahead and fill out the rest of the stuff here. Okay. If you need help with that, just take a pen and paper or use ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI that you like. Just talk to it. Okay, you just have to talk to it. The way you're talking to AI to get the information you need is, hey, I'm Josh with Josh's Plumbing Company, and I'm building a bot for my customers, and it's asking me what my target audience is, and that's how you would fill these out. All right, I'm just gonna do this super quickly here. Type of business. So you can type in your business here. If it's not here, then let's see, PLUM plumber. There we go. All right. Most businesses should just be in there. Okay, so hit save. Brand voice. Okay, that's good. Click next. All right, now here's your preferred channels. So in this case, I just wanted to answer my SMS only. All right, so it's gonna wait. I like to keep 3 seconds here. Bot initial message. Let's say, hey, this is Stacy with Josh's Plumbing. How can I help you? All right, and then you can name the bot here. Stacy, customer service. All right, then just go next. Now, this is the information that you need from your customer. All right, so name, email, phone number. If you need address or city, you can get that in. I'll go ahead and get city. And all of that is checked out. Okay, allow bot to book an appointment. So you go ahead and select your bot here, put AI calendar, and then you select whatever. Select whichever calendar you have. If you don't have your calendar hooked up, go over to calendars and set that up. Okay, I like to allow the bot to cancel or reschedule, and then receive email notification. Yep. So you would select that. It'll give you an email, and click all admins, enable conversation summary. All right, and just hit save. Okay, bot is turned on. Now you can turn it on to autopilot, and then every text message that comes in will be handled by the bot. And if you had any of the other um, channels selected, the bot will take over those channels as well. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna just click test bot here, and I'm gonna act like I'm a client, and I have a water leak. Hi, a leak under the sink. Okay, so it says, how can I help you? And then a leak under the sink is definitely something we can help with. What's your name? So I know who I'm chatting with. My name is Steve. Okay, so I'm gonna give it all the information. All right, so you would just keep going here and testing this out until you're happy. Once you're happy, then your bot is already turned on. So we'll go here, we'll click autopilot, and then click save and close. Once this is on, you can see autopilot. This is the primary bot. So whenever anybody texts your company, the bot will take over. Okay, so those are the type. That's how you get your bot set up. Now there are other types of agents that you can create. You can go to prompt-based bot or flow-based bot, but the premise is still the same. You still need the instructions as what information you need from the customer, and then what outcome. Okay, so do you want an appointment booked? Do you want to collect the information and then go to an agent? So get in there, play with it. This is how it works. It's going to save you a lot of time. There's several companies that use it to collect the who, what, where, when, why, right? That we have to ask customers all the time. And then the cool part is you can also set this up to manage your Instagram and Facebook. So if you get a lot of messages on social media, right? We all get a ton of messages on social media. You just go here and then you add Facebook, Instagram. If you have live chat on your website, which is also built in here, you can also add live chat there and it'll respond to it. Okay, this is the most basic conversation bot. And then if you go to the next one up on the prompt builder, it'll get a little bit more advanced. And if you go to the advanced one, I actually haven't even used that one yet, but the middle one should be better, but this can get you started. Okay, all you're trying to do is just save an extra hour a week, 2 hours a week. This is the way to do it. Get in there, play with it. If you have any questions or you need any help, you can scroll down here and you'll see the contact us button on the bottom left corner here. You can email us for support, call or text. These are business hours. And then these are knowledge base, quick start videos. Any other support links are right here. Thanks. If you want to sign up, there'll be a link down below at leadfuelcrm.com. Take care.